What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am out here in Frisco, Texas. You guys know we do tons of projects out in Frisco. Plano, McKinney, Prosper, all of the North Dallas area, as well as Austin, Houston, San Antonio. So this is a cool little project here. This is a Klipsch reference premiere lineup. And I'm going to walk you through the space real quick, show you what's going on. You guys know that we carry all the industry-leading manufacturers, and we do ship throughout the entire nation with a very extensive preferred installer network with a free consultation, guys. So reach out and utilize that free service. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and get you hooked up with those products. All right, guys, let's get into this video. Alright, so when you first walk into the room, this is kind of what we're working with. You can see the pre-wired locations were very high and weren't going to work with tower speakers, so we moved the wiring down the wall into the correct location for these RP 5000 Fs, and he's got the 5000C or 500C center speaker from Klipsch, and then the 500 SAs and the 600 M's back here for a full 7.1, the SPL 100 back here. You guys know that we use a lot of Klipsch. We got the zero edge SI screen up there looking sharp with the slate material. Everything's terminating over here in this closet, and we can, well, let me turn on the light so you can see we got a little cabinet housing the equipment, and he has the Denon 2700 as the amplifier powering everything up. That's where all the sources plug into: the Xbox, the Wii, the Roku that he's got down there, the Blu-ray player, all that good stuff plugs into the AVR audio video receiver, and that's going to power up all of the speakers as well as send the signal up to the projector, which he's using the Epson 5050. Now, this is the home cinema line, which we do carry, but we also have the pro cinema line, the 6050. And depending on stock and availability, which we've struggled with a little bit this year, we may recommend one or the other. The 6050 still is the best choice because it has the 3-year warranty and comes with the mount and the extra bulb. But you guys know that inventory has been a serious worldwide problem. So this is where all of the equipment is. Kind of hitting on inventory a little bit. I always like to say in these videos that I really appreciate the patience and the support that you guys give us. Every single company around the whole world has been struggling with product availability, and it's not just us. So hang in there, guys. We're doing everything within our power to be able to fulfill your orders as fast as possible. Okay, well, that was a quick little walkthrough on this theater. I'm also going to fire it up and show you guys a quick demo, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to check that one out. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. If you would like to purchase, we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Again, guys, a free consultation service. We break out our items line by line by line, so you're guaranteed to get the best price. That's all I got for you. If you liked this video, till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.